Alright, I've been thinking about this like the whole night, I swear to God.
The whole night?
Yeah.
Even when you were cuddling me?
Well, I have to think like an investigator for this one. This is, okay, so it's a crime scene. I have to solve the crime scene. I have to find out who the thief is, what city the thief escaped to, and who the thief's accomplice is who helped them escape. And I have starting information. I got some more information, but I'm like unsure of the kind of like unsure of what I have because I don't know how strict this is with just like if this is supposed to be more realistic than that. Because when I remember when I checked this part, when I checked this code, I actually didn't get anything. So I kind of need to go back and see if this is even on the right date. I didn't even think about that. Oh, wait, no, I can't do it. I gotta get back into this. Hold on. Because I don't even think. When I tried to do it with the date, this wasn't working. But then when I took out the date, then it works. And then I put that information in. But now I'm thinking that that's not gonna work. And I still wasn't able to find the interviews. So I'm gonna double check this because this might be a different day. Hold on. Okay, so so first I need to go. What is this? 50ville. Okay, and then SQL lights. 350. Oh wait, is it 50? Yeah, it's 50ville. .db. Okay. Okay, so here's the thing. Alright, so if I put this in, that's how I got that information, the license plate. But the thing that I didn't check for is this even the same day? So where's this? Okay, so this is within the table of which table is this? From the bakery security log table. Okay. Hold on. God dang it. Okay. So. Okay, so this does have year, month, and day. So I should have been able to put that in. So if I put this in, I should also be able to pull up the year. Well, let's do, so it's either for me to see month, day, and year. Month 7, day 28. 7, day 31. Okay, so this was at the right time, but this is a completely different day, so that actually does not help me. That's what I was thinking. That's why that wasn't pulling up correctly. Okay, well then I can't use this because that's a different day. Okay, get rid of that. What I need to do, we have activity, license plate, and then year, month, day, all that jazz. Okay, so I need to put this back in. Month, day. Okay. month equals day. Okay, but if I put this in, then what? Why is that not working? It has a semicolon at the end. Oh, it is working. Oh, there's no results. Okay, that's the problem I was having. So maybe instead of putting this, if it's supposed to be realistic, maybe I could check the hour and limit to, I don't know, 10, I guess. So it doesn't get too crazy. Okay. But I also need to print, let's see.
Oh my god.
Okay. That's a 10. What if I put, also make it print the month and day. No, we don't even know. Oh, it happened in 2025. Okay, month and day.
I didn't realize how many fishnets I have.
2025. Okay. All right. So this, and then make it to where it also prints out the month, day, hour, minute. Yeah.
Hi.
Let's see what we're working with. Okay, this is all within the same day. And from 10/8,
What am I doing?
10/14.
I'm separating my drawers because I realized that it's not working.
City entrance,
Leave your
exit,
dress
exit.
down. Leave your dress down. Are you cold?
Yes.
Come here, let's get you something warm then.
13. Okay, so we have entrances, but not exits. Well, exits are these.
She don't know what she do. Wanna wear this?
Yeah.
We have these two entrances, but
Better. Look how pretty you look.
to 23. When did
Better?
they exit?
There.
Oh, like it.
You want a jacket?
Yeah.
You're wearing a jacket. It's a
Let me
sweater.
think.
Warm, right? It's a little trick I learned at festivals.
You know what? I should have put. I could have just put. Since I'm asking for so much information from here, like, why don't I just, in all honesty, there. Much better. Okay, well, I don't see a relation to the entrance and exit. Okay, so the thief took place at 10:15. So at 10:15, it was probably an exit, but right, because if someone stole something, they would have left right after they stole it. So maybe it's like this one,
It's not yours. You want shoes?
because this is at 10:16. But then, okay, let's see. Let's just, okay, put first exit is license plate 5B2B. Oh, I just copied this. Hold on. Dang it. Can't copy, can I? I don't think I can. Nope, I can't. God dang it. Oh, that sucks about this crap. Oh, I did. Okay. That works. 5P2. 5. Okay. First exit. And then what I need to do is kind of get more information. I mean, that doesn't really tell me a whole lot. I mean, that tells me people that left. I would think if someone stole something, they would leave immediately, and it happened after 10:15. So I would think it would be this person. But I still haven't checked the interviews, so let's check the interviews. Let's do this. We have one. So the bakery doesn't have an interview. 3 witnesses with interview in bakery. Let's see. Okay, so we have a table for interviews. Okay, so the interviews have... Okay. But I don't know when... Okay, so the theft took place at 10:15 on Humphrey Street Bakery. 3 witnesses with interviews. So the interviews wouldn't have happened exactly the same time. But... see. So we have name, year, month, day, and transcript. Okay, so the transcript is going to be whatever information they got. So maybe, I mean, it doesn't have location. Well, maybe, I mean, I guess if the transcript's all you got, then we could try searching for the Humphrey Street Bakery. I don't know if it'll show anything like that. So much. Does it have any hints? Not really. Alright, screw it. I gotta get in the interview somehow. So maybe, let's try first. Let's just select. I mean, I could look at the interviews after that time. Then is that going to tell me if they came from the bakery? Hold on. Let's see. Select. What is it called? Or we just do the whole thing. And then from interviews. I don't know how much this is going to pull up. Interviews, where, let's do this. Okay, let's just copy this for now. Right, but then let's, okay, I can limit this to like 20 or something for now, and then what I really need is for it to be at least after 10:15. Hour doesn't equal 10:15, but hour is
Alexa, what's the most for today?
equal to or greater than, and then minute. No, because if I put minute, that'll count it separately, so I have to put, okay, let's try this. Let's see what this does. Error here. Oh, they don't have hour in here. It only has the name, the year, the month, and the day. Man, thanks. Okay, so limit 20. Wait, that didn't even. Oh wow, that does. Okay, so that's not a lot actually. That's actually what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's not bad. Okay. Oh, said hey, I forgot that I'd seen you some weeks ago. It was a souvenir from the King of Bohemia in return for my assistance in the case of the Irene Adler papers. Okay, that's. Mm. I said Holmes that when Mr. Woodby came back from France that he was very annoyed at your having gone to the ball. You had my note, he asked with a deep harsh voice and German accent. Well, that's
Mommy's gonna plant some
okay.
pretty flowers when it's nicer outside, not right now.
Sometime within 10 minutes of the theft, I saw the thief get into a car from the bakery parking lot. Okay, so this one's talking about the bakery. Alright, let's put this in here. So, this shows all the interviews of that day. Over here, screw it. Okay, so. Okay, now with this information, where was that? Okay, this one. Okay, so Ruth says within 10 minutes of the theft, uh, 10 minutes theft. So the thief got in car.
How'd I fucking know? You're not gonna eat your food now?
Thief got in car in the bakery parking lot and drove away. So thief would have left the bakery within 10 minutes. Okay. And then if you have security footage from the bakery parking lot, you might want to look for cars that left the parking lot in that time frame. Okay, so I need to find cars that left within 20. Okay, so find cars that left in that time. Okay. I don't know his name, but it was Emma's Bakery. I thought it was Humphrey Street Bakery. Emma's Bakery. I was walking by the ATM. Emma's Bakery. Who's Emma? Does Emma own the bakery? Is there a way to find that out? I mean, I would assume there's only one bakery. But, and this is right after Eugene. Says Emma's Bakery. Okay. Right. Okay. I don't know the thief's name, but it was someone I recognized. He recognized the thief. Okay, I don't know if that's useful, but recognized thief. Earlier this morning, before I arrived at Emma's Bakery, I was walking by the ATM on Legit Street and saw the thief there. Okay, so he saw the thief. At ATM on Leggett Street. Withdrawing. Okay. And that was this morning. Oh. Drawing money. Morning. Before robbery. Morning before theft. I don't know. Okay. Okay, so this is another one talking about the bakery theft. Let's see. Then Raymond, everybody loves Raymond, says okay, as the thief was leaving the bakery, they called someone who talked to them for less than a minute. As the thief was leaving the bakery, so let's put when thief left bakery, or as they were leaving. Okay, so as thief left bakery. So it's probably within that 10-minute window of them leaving. As thief left bakery, called someone who talked to them for less than a minute. Had phone call for less than a minute. In the call, I heard the thief say that they were planning to take the earliest flight out of 50ville tomorrow. Okay, so thief said plane taking plane flights first thing tomorrow morning. To giggity 50ville to 50ville. You okay?
Today's gonna be a good day.
Today's gonna be a new day. The thief then asked the person on the other end of the phone to purchase the flight tickets. Okay, so person on phone with thief bought plane tickets. Okay. All right. That's a lot of information. Okay. So now, let's try doing this one at a time before I get a headache. First exit of license plate is, okay, so I have the first exit, but, so Rue says within 10 minutes of theft, thief got in car and left the bakery. So I gotta find the cars that left within 10 minutes. So let's, instead of doing this, let's do 10 minutes. And anyone that's within the 10 minutes would have been the theft. And minute, crap, how do I put this to where, so minutes equal to or greater than, what is it? That took place at 10:15, so 15 plus or minus 10:15, and then we'll, I don't know, limit it to 10 so it doesn't get too crazy. Or can I also put over 15, but can I also, and minute is under, what's 15 plus 20 is 35, so let's just put 36. A minute is less than 36. That'll give, 10 minutes, not 20 minutes. What am I thinking? Right. Within 10 minutes of theft, so if it's from 15 to 26. Okay. Okay, that gives a lot of license plates within the 10-minute window. Okay. That's a lot. Alright. Well, let's see. So we have this. So the thief is gonna be is within this, so it's any one of these could be the thief. Okay. But Eugene says Emma's Bakery. Is there a way to find out if Emma's Bakery is the bakery? Probably not, but I don't know if I'm thinking too much. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. They saw a thief at an ATM. Okay, so I need to find out a relationship between one of these cars and. Okay, so one of the cars and. What is this? So we have ATM transactions. Okay, so ATM. Okay, so I don't have a way of seeing withdraw money morning before theft. That doesn't tell me exactly what time.
Listen with your ears.
And then how do I relate that to the license plate? It tells me from the ATM, it tells me an account number, year, month, day, ATM location. Man, I need to draw this out better. Okay. Oh, year, month, day, ATM location, transaction type. Okay, so let's. Well, but it doesn't show a time, does it? Let's see. Select. Everything. Transactions. Where ATM location equals. What is it? Leggett. I don't know how. Maybe they do it like this. ATM. Okay, did I spell it right? Leggett Street. God dang it. That doesn't need to be capital enough. What was the actual wording for that? Maybe I gotta capitalize it. Holy crap. Oh, that's a lot more than I was expecting. Holy mother of God. Oh, I should have put the day. Well. Okay. that's a lot less. Okay. So the thief is here too. Okay, let's put license plates of possible thief. And then let's put within this ATM transactions where month equals 7 and day equals 28 and year equals 2025. ATM location equals Leggett Street. Okay. And then this shows account number. Account number of possible thief. Okay. So this shows. Oh, and he made a withdrawal. Withdrawing money. So there's only one in there, but. So I could probably go and put that 2 just to help narrow it down. And well, let's make sure that actually works. And type equals withdraw. Let's do this. Okay. So and withdraw. Okay. So we have the license plates of possible thief, account number of possible thief. But it's going to be early in the morning. Unfortunately, I don't have a time. I only have a day. So it was that day, early in the morning. For that, says the thief left bakery, had phone call for less than a minute. Phone call. Okay, we do have a table for phone calls. Phone calls. Okay, so we have ID integer, caller text, receiver text, year integer. Okay, so year, month, day, duration, receiver, caller. So those are the people. Okay. Less than a minute, thief said. Taking plane flight first thing tomorrow morning. Okay, so he took the phone call within this time. Okay. put, what is that? Phone calls. Okay, phone calls a month, day, year, within the time, and then we could put duration. Less than a minute. Duration for less than. I mean, I don't know how duration's gonna be. Here, screw it. Let's just put this for now and see what it looks like. Oh, they don't have the times. Okay, so I can't use the times. So all I can use is the date, year. Okay, let's do this. Well, that was a lot. So these were all the phone calls of that day. That's not as many as I thought it would be. Okay. Durations in hundreds, so I couldn't possibly be minutes. Alright, because it was like 500 minutes. Alexa, how long is 500 minutes?
500 minutes equals 8 hours and 20 minutes.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and assume that this is by seconds. Require. Oh, it's automatically. Okay. So we have this. Okay, these are people that made phone calls in less than 60 seconds on that day. Okay, so. So this shows. Okay, so relating to this is also going to be the caller and receiver of possible thief and helper. Assailant, what's the word? The other person involved. Accomplice. Did I spell that right? Accomplice, yeah, okay. Okay. Phone call. The thief said, taking plane flight first thing tomorrow morning to 50ville. So, oh yeah, the person on the phone of the thief bought the plane tickets. So, I need to, so let's see. So we got airports, flights, passengers. Okay, that's a lot. Let's just scheme of this thing. There's a people. Okay, so people, links, phone numbers, passport number, license plate, primary. Okay, so everything will link back to the person right here on the people table. You got your phone calls, passengers, shows flight IDs, passport number, seat. Okay. Great take the flights. And what are we trying to look? Okay, so thieves that taking place. Okay, so we need to see the first plane to 50ville. Okay. There's flights and airports, bank accounts, ATM transactions, interviews, crime. Okay. So let's look at. Oh, there's bank accounts. So bank accounts can relate the number back to, okay. Create table. Create table airports. City. This is the airports. Where are they at? They're at Humphrey Street. Origin, destination. I mean, if I put the destination to 50ville, I don't know if Humphrey Street's just a street. I don't know where this is actually at. I think tomorrow to 50ville, so we can do flights, destination, airport. Okay. Hold on. So select information from flights where destination airport destination airport ID. Oh, that's gonna. Oh, it's a number. That's not gonna work. This is airport. City. Okay, what about? Destination airports. ID. Origin airport. Airports. Primary key. Foreign key. References airports ID. Okay, so this goes back here. And this goes back here. Both of these go back to airports ID. So, god dang it. This is going to be one of those things. Okay. Where? Okay, destination airports. Not airports. Airport ID is in. Okay. Select. I do that? God dang, I don't remember. City. Well, no, I need the city to be equal to city and. God dang, how do I relate it back to that? I need the city to equal 50 bill. Destination airport equals city. Equals. Oh, where's that? Where does he start 2 and then outgoing? So it's select. God dang it. I have to do ID first. It's coming in. So you start with what destination airports is going to. So I need to put ID. ID from airports. Where what am I doing? Okay. Where city equals probably capital 50 bill. You know what? Actually, I kind of want to double check and make sure that it can be printed out this way. So select airports where city equals. Okay. Let's make sure that that's the right. Okay. Okay, so that shows that there is an airport there. And then this will show the destination, but we can also put what the date to. Okay, we'll see. Table airports, flights. There's a year, month, day, hour, minute. Okay, so year, month, day, but it's going to be the next day. Okay, so let's also do all this. Okay. Oh, so the day is going to be the next day. Alright. First thing tomorrow morning, 50 bill. Okay, so this. It doesn't work. Fuck. Destination airport ID. Origin airport aids. Destination airport. What? Okay, so 50ville regional airport's 8. But that's showing the origin airport ID is 8. That's the next day. Early in the morning. Hour 16. Early in the morning would be, what, 8:20? So it should be like this, the first one in the morning of that day. Destination, what's tomorrow? 250ville. So shouldn't it be destination? Not origin? First thing tomorrow morning, 50ville. ID. I thought origin is where you're coming from, not where you're going to. Select. Oh, shit. Okay, these are all the airports. These 8. Origin airport IDs 8. I guess. I mean, I guess it's gotta be this one. I feel like it should be destination though. Okay, so let's just do this. First flight. Origin. Start doing the capital for this too. 50ville. Destination's number 4. LaGuardia. Airports. That's what it said, right? New York City. The town of 50ville is called one either. Wait, so did this happened in 50ville? The town of 50ville called upon you to solve the mystery of the stolen duck. Authorities believe it is stolen. The shortly took a flight out of town to help accomplish your goals. The 50ville authorities have taken some of the town's records. First flight origin. Okay, so this happened in 50ville. Not he was leaving to 50ville. Hold on, let me see. God dang it, this is so confusing. out of 50. I'm such an idiot. Morning out of 50 bill. Okay, so that means that he is that person. So, origin 50 bill is okay, this one is ID 36. Okay, so I don't have to do this. $20.25. Okay, so that's all I have to do. It's ID 36. That's it. That's all I get. So within the table of flights, ID 36 is related to, if I can find out who that was that sat on there and who it was that bought it. Okay. Hey, what's up? Oh, wow. uh, I've just been doing coding stuff. I don't even know if you're still there. I'm sorry. I can't. I get so to this. I always forget to look at the comments a little bit. I can pee real quick.
What? Your what? I'm listening to the thing. Your thing's loud, so I'm using it. It's chorus.
I am solving a theft that was taking place currently. Okay, so the only thing I have to go off of on this one, and that's the earliest flight in the morning, is the ID of 36. So in flight, what does ID relate to? Yeah. ID is 36. Okay. Primary key is ID. Okay. Okay, so these link to the airport's ID. What? Take what off? What? Oh, your sweater? Why'd you put it on? Cool. Oh, never mind. No, that didn't work. You okay? What? Oh, it got you in the eye? Oh, I'm sorry. You okay? I moved your hair. Don't go lay down. Yeah. I'm looking for your bottle. I'm looking for your bottle. Help me find your bottle. Okay. Crap. Where was I at? Okay, the ID thing. I need to relate the ID. ID 36. What does that tie into? Okay, something goes to airports, to flights ID. So let's try, just check the whole freaking schema. Something, I need something that relates back to flights ID. Let's see. ID. Okay, so the primary key, I need a foreign key that goes to flights ID. Foreign key. Personal. Oh, that's the one I was just looking at. ID. Wait. Flight. Passenger. Flight ID. Foreign key. Flight ID to fly. Okay, there it is. Passengers. So I'm gonna use this table. Oh, this is gonna hurt my brain. It's way easier if I draw this out, but if I draw this out, it's like so much to write. Oh my god, this is so much to write. Okay, so I need to do passengers. So to find the flight ID, I need to do select, just all for now, from passengers, passengers, where, okay, seat, passport ID, and okay, so that's all I got is flight ID. So where flight ID is in. Okay, and then from here we do the select. I wonder if I can just join the
My quiz got real.
What?
Gave me a bunch of little quizzes. Now I get the 20 answer quiz instead of just the 3 or 4 answer quiz.
Oh.
It's a big one, I guess.
Oh. Wait, can I just do flight ID equals, because flight ID, isn't it going to share the same number? I think. Hold on. Let's do this. Let's just do this just in case. ID from flights where well, it should just be, okay, so where the flight ID equals 36, this should be the right way to do it. Let's see. Let's see what this does. Flight ID 36. Crap. There's a lot of information. Okay. Okay, so within this one holds the passport number. Ah, dang it. Possible the person that either bought the ticket or possible you spelled thief wrong. Okay. And then our last and final thing is person on phone with thief bought the plane tickets. Is there any way for me to look up the payments of plane tickets? Crap, I don't think so. Did that actually show me that part? So I have a lot of information. I went through all of the evidence, and now I have possible thief is related to this, possible thief is related to this, possible thief and accomplice is related to this. Okay, so I need to find a way to. Is there a way to see who bought the tickets? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, I do know it's LaGuardia Airport. Let's go to. That's one thing. What's that? Hey, you're already better than me at what? And he's still there. Oh man, I'm sorry. Dude, it hasn't been 30 minutes, has it? I just looked at it the earlier when I saw them. No. This is my last problem for this one. If I can finish this one real quick, I'm gonna play for a little bit. But I'm on SQL, and this is the last problem of SQL. And I got one of the answers. I still need to figure out who the thief is, who the accomplice is, which I have the ways to do it. I just gotta link them together. I'm gonna have to like either join them or do like the loop in thing. But I basically have a bunch of information here that I need to also link to this one and to this one. So I need to make like one big clump of all this information basically, where all this stuff's related. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna write this. You just woke up. Yeah, you're like the same. Is it 10 o'clock over there? You're on a different time. Yeah, they are. How are you not in school? It's like January, February, middle of February. Y'all got different school days or something. Wait, the seat number. And seat. Oh. They're like 1 hour behind.
Nexus Rose Tattoo Studio.
Reading week, and I'm not reading nothing. What? That sounds crazy.
$100 an hour. We take deposits. Soonest availability is this afternoon. Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see. Alright, I gotta remember.
That was different.
What?
So, Google is calling on behalf of a customer and wanting to know the hourly rates and availability.
That's weird. That was Google?
It said Google. No, I'm calling in regards to a customer that has contacted us online about your hourly rates and.
Was it a person? Not a AI or something?
I want his job.
Right?
Sit there and just call businesses. I was wondering what your information is for this
What
customer.
the heck?
Unless it's like someone who's like deaf, maybe. So instead they can't call because they can't hear. So.
Look, this dude I was playing Rocket League with, he's from Canada. He's not even in school.
Wait.
He said it's reading week, but he's not reading.
Oh, it's like a youngster?
I don't know how old he is.
Oh.
He's in school though.
Oh,
So yeah.
in school right now.
No, he's not in school right now. He's not in school, but he does go to school.
Like college or high school?
I don't know.
Cool.
I don't
Stay
know.
educated. As you can see, he's staying educated. No matter how old you are. My husband's looking at me like I'm crazy. Of course I'm weird. That's why you love me. But hi. Why, baby? That's keyboard. You know what that is. Stop leaving your toys in my room.
What?
Your toys.
Why?
Because I said so.
What?
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 Alright. What I'm thinking is I'm gonna have to write a long one where I can combine all of these. So maybe if I join them.
Today.
You're hurting today?
Yeah.
So let's try this. So we have a people. How many? Let's see.
I want one of my oversized shirts.
People right here. Alright, so I'm gonna have to use the people thing to find the name to link all that stuff. Okay. It's gonna be crazy. Even high school? What? I think everyone in Canada is reading week for them, something like that, even high school. Oh shit, I don't know. We don't have reading weeks. Name. I just want to see how many names are in here. God damn it. $200 names. Okay. So let's do this. I'm gonna write out the people's table.
Can I borrow your hoodie?
Yeah. And the people's table consists of an ID, number, which is your primary key that can link to other stuff. Your ID, your name, which is what we want to get. Phone number. Passport number. And license plate. Okay, license plate's the last one. Okay. I didn't think I was gonna take up so much space. And the license plate. Okay. The only one that's an integer is the passport number is an int, and all the rest are text. Like what? Oh, wait. An ID is an integer. This is a text. Okay. And then, let's see. Alright, so if I'm looking for, okay, so I have license plates of possible thieves here. So let's go with license plate. How does that tie into people? Where's that? In the bakery security logs. God dang it. I got bakery security logs. You have a primary ID. And you get your license plate text from here. So how do I get from license plate from the table of bakery security logs to this? Okay, so the tables, license plates. Bakery security logs. Okay, so somehow these are going to link together. So there's another one in the middle I'm missing somewhere that's going to go back to the people license plate. Okay, so let's see. Bank accounts. do this because all I really need to put is that this is equal to this. Okay. Well, that's all I really need to do. And then I need to match the passport number. So yeah, I need to find people that have the license plate that's equal to this license plate with those conditions. Okay. And then the passport number, I'm not sure if that's gonna be his passport number or so what's the seat also related to? Oh, there's bank accounts too. I forgot about the ATM thing. Did I ever do that? Oh yeah, I did. Possible thief, yeah, okay. So that's another thing. Okay, so that's another thing I have to reference to is that's gonna be the ID is going to
Come here.
reference people ID,
Naked. Come here. Knee close.
the table of bank accounts.
You want that one? Do you need? You need diaper too.
So it's gonna be
It's too big. Okay, go lay down. Let me get you diaper and I'll get you. I get you different dress. Go. Go. I'll be right there.
from this one to
Sit your butt down. I'll get you different dress.
from people ID to person ID.
Go.
You okay? Oh, I'm sorry.
It's not your fault.
I know, I just feel bad. From bank accounts. Where
And I'm gonna make you match. Make you cute.
okay, account number.
Against your will. Make you cute. Against your will. You got a pretty dress.
Bam.
With pockets. Pretty dress with pockets, so you can go to the store with a little bit. Mommy watch, mommy can.
Okay. And then phone number. Okay, so then and phone number is gonna be linked to where's that other table?
Right? Pockets. Every girl loves a dress with pockets.
Phone calls. I don't know if he's the caller or receiver, honestly.
Take it red.
Huh?
Take it red. And think it red.
This?
It red. Take it red. No, think it red.
That's not wet.
What?
That's not wet. What are you talking about?
This.
That's fun. Do you want it on?
No. I don't wear it that
No,
way.
you gotta put something on.
Huh?
You have to put something on.
I literally put her dress on. Did
She
you
just
take
took it off and she said it's wet, but
It
it's
is
not.
not wet. I just put a new dress on her.
It's not wet. Here.
The one with pockets. Put your dress on. You can't be naked.
No,
Hey.
Dada.
She wants you to put it on.
She's not naked, but
Oh, she's still naked.
watch the words that we use.
Oh.
I'm
Wow.
naked.
Oh my god, I can't even with her. Keep your dress on, you weirdo.
The AI thing works, but
Yeah, the AI thing.
when
Come
I
here.
hear that word, and
You
get
can have
triggered.
one candy and then go into the living room. Just one.
Yay.
Yay. Go away. I love you. No. You're gonna go to the store with me anyway. Come on.
Look at that. Come on.
Come on.
It's Tiger.
Come on. We're not going right now.
It doesn't
You
Tiger.
gotta leave your dress on, you weirdo.
It's Tiger.
Dude, I'm trying to finish. God dang, this takes like an enormous amount of concentration. It's really hard when I gotta break concentration.
I walked away from my test twice dealing with her.
Because it's like deep thinking stuff, you
No,
know what I mean?
not
And then she's just like, stop thinking so deep.
No,
And then I'm like, now I gotta remember everything I have in my brain so I can get to the next step.
Look at her talking shit.
God dang.
You're so extra, Olivia.
I swear.
I love you.
Crazy. Okay. So the phone number is related to the caller from phone calls.
I thought we had. You don't have any.
Where? I mean, the given date. Dude, stop.
Yes, stop.
I wonder if I could put caller or receiver because I don't know who called and who received.
We don't have any model.
I don't know. Oh, I spelled the receiver wrong. Why do I always put the I before E? I before E except after C. Oh my god. Okay.
I swear I thought we had some.
Could get some from the store. Okay, and I don't know if the passport number is his or the accomplice. I feel like it'd probably be the accomplice if the accomplice bought the ticket. So let's do this. So we're gonna select the name. Name
No, why not?
from
Yes, yeah. Wait, you're not. Yes, I do. Yes, I'm not.
people where. Okay, this is gonna be a multiple
Yes, I
thing.
do. Yes, I do.
Okay,
Yes, I
where?
do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Okay, where's the people? Okay, where the ID.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
number is in
Do you want something on the TV? I don't know what you're saying. You want to go? In a minute. Let me finish my test first, okay? It's a long ass test. And it's one of the things that I didn't.
I don't think it'll work exactly like this though. Don't have to join them. Crap. Select caller or receiver. I think it goes this way. Caller receiver. And then this isn't the whole thing. I just want the
That's what we were talking about, right? So number 4 would be.
account number. Number. Okay. I still have to correct the syntax on this because this ain't gonna work. And what? What is it? That?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not sure off with it. Here a paper.
That's mommy's.
Oh. And mommy yours.
Yeah. License plate.
It's never there.
Okay. Okay, now the problem with this is basically what I need, but it's not gonna work, so I'm probably gonna have to join. Maybe if I well, I guess I mean I have to loop it in. How do you do the join thing again? Let me see.
Oh, is that for me? I need that. Thank you. You're such a good helper.
Okay. Okay, so this is how join works again. So select rating and title from movies. Okay, well that's only if you want to. I don't really want to have two. That's only if I'm wanting to also put in another chart. I'm not really wanting to do that. I'm just wanting to check those conditions. So I don't really think I need to use join, but I do have to find a way to get these. So I'm probably gonna have to create another one to link these into. Okay, so how do you get people ID from, what is it, ATM transactions? Alright, man. I'm trying to get the last part of this. It is a lot, I'm not gonna lie. ATM ATM transactions.
No one is it? Taco. Taco.
Primary key ID.
Taco. 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 I said, say that. Oh, no pain.
No, you can't get a person ID.
Take a bait. What? See?
Oh, from bank account.
No, Wawa. No way.
Okay, so this can go. Okay, so I can go from bank accounts to, and then account number can go to ATM transactions.
Yay!
Okay, so in here I gotta create another one.
No, no, no.
This is
The candy. This is candy now. What's this? That's on my bed. Oh, this
from
is bed.
people ID
It goes.
to
No,
person ID.
that's
So it's gonna
mine.
be person ID. Bank accounts where account number I think that'll work. Let's start putting this in here.
One more. No. Eh? That one? Oh.
Does that do anything?
Maybe then the boy. Not you. Maybe then my will. Yeah. Okay. No, that's too. Okay. Let's go.
Okay, so that gave me a list of names. Okay. Okay, so that works. All right. So here's part of it. That worked. That's good. I need to fix that. I think I already did. Just the space. Okay. Got that. Okay. And then and phone number and okay, so phone number. Okay, let's see. Schema. Phone so I was able to relate that from person ID. So phone number is in. I mean, will that work like that? How do I link it to the other table? Phone calls. See. I don't know if that'll work. Let's see.
What do you have, Olivia? Give it back.
Nothing. So that didn't work.
Bring it here.
It didn't give me an error though.
You can have that. Gimme. Fucking one job, bro. Can't finish one fucking test. Go. No, she don't care. Got sandwich. It's over here. Yeah.
You have a sandwich. It's on the table. Figure out why this didn't click. I should be able to do this. Okay, so let's try making spaces. Alright. Just in case. Okay, that did not work. Alright. Let's see. So I can join our movies ID equals ratings movie ID. Wonder if I should try that. Where year equals 2010. Order by rating. Yeah, because then by joining ratings to movies, I was able to order by ratings. So maybe I should try. Well, let's try, before I do that, just because I have this or in here that I also don't know if it's going to work the way I want it to. Let's try this one time. Okay, that's why that narrowed it down. But then if I do, I don't know if it's the caller or the receiver though. Receiver. Then I get nothing. Unless I spelled receiver wrong again. Oh, wait. Receiver. Okay. So receiver, I didn't get nothing. And I am spelling that right? Okay, so I think I did this. I think it needs to be like this. Because if I put receiver, I get nothing back. Okay. So that did, I believe, narrow the list down more. Because what we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now. Okay, I'm gonna need to put spaces here if it's not gonna take them on the other side. Okay. Alright. Now the license plates in. Okay. Bakery security logs. Okay, so from the license plate in, it should just be license plate. Alright, let's try doing it with this. Copy, paste. See what that does. That narrows it down to 2 people. Okay, so this is working. Alright. So I have one more thing that can narrow it down. This is the other thing, is the seat and the passport number. So let's see. So this already narrows it down to 2 people. Okay, so what I need to do is not that. God dang it. It's not what I meant to do. Dot schema. Okay. So I'll use those there. So, okay, so the other thing is seat and passport number. So I don't know if there's a way I can look at this. Okay, from passengers. Okay, passengers shows a passport number. Seat. I mean, does seat do anything good? Not really. It's kind of useless information. So it's probably going to be his passport number. Because even if you buy it, they still take your passport number on the plane, right? So it's going to be and passport number and select passport number. Okay, where's that at? Oh, I forgot. Okay, so the airport ID is 36. Oh, wait. Oh, here it is. Okay, this one. Passengers. Alright, so we're going to copy this. Into here. But instead of this, I need to put passport number and then end it with that. Then take away this. And this should show me. Okay, let's see. Bruce. Okay, that narrowed it completely down. So that is all the evidence. So this is the passport seat of possible thief. Not accomplice. I mean, accomplice bought the ticket, but okay, so that shows his phone call, the account number, license plate, security. Okay. Now that I have that information, okay. Bruce. Okay, so that puts Bruce over here. And then now I am left to do one thing, and that is to find the accomplice, which is going to be the receiver of the phone call. So thief and accomplice, so this is narrowed it down to Bruce. So now that I know that it's Bruce, I need to know who Bruce was talking to. Okay. Now that I know it's the thief is Bruce, I need to know the receiver of the call from Bruce. Okay, which, I mean, this, okay, so select phone, select receiver. God, I always spell receiver wrong. Okay, like this. I spelled it wrong there again. I got such a bad habit of doing that. Okay, select receiver from phone call. What was that table called? Phone calls. Phone has. Oh, but I have to. Okay, so I still got to do the name and people. Okay, but I can still do this. It's okay. Alright, so hold on. Let's not do that. Actually, I don't want to do that. Let's do select name from people where what is people? Oh, people has phone number. Okay, so where phone number is in, what is it called? Phone number is in, oh, space now. Okay. Is in this. Copy. Paste. Change this to receiver. Delete that. Put a semicolon here. Copy this. Paste it here. Okay, that gives a whole list of names. Oh, wait. Another condition is from Bruce. Duration less than 60 seconds. And caller. Caller equals Bruce. Oh, shit. Okay, hold on. Phone calls. There's a table for phone calls. Phone calls, caller, receiver. Oh, and caller. It's not Bruce. It's the caller number. God dang it. And caller. So I gotta do in. Dang, I gotta do another one of these things. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. So the caller is going to be in the phone number of the name Bruce. So select phone number from people where name equals Bruce. You okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna go walk to the store here in a minute. I passed the big quiz. I made a low passing grade, but I passed. Dang.
Hey, I mean, if you passed, hey, I did it. There's Robin. Dude, I just finished. Oh my god. As soon as you walked in.
I just finished mine. I had 2 quizzes.
Oh, that was a lot, dude. That was crazy. Okay, hopefully
The first one, the second one I made 100, but the first one, it's the contracts. I got it all right except for I got the IM and the NA, so not applicable and not like it's there but it's not there. Like it's the same thing but they're different. So it's I got them confused, and those are the only ones I got the money part of it right. I got the law part of it right. I got where the seller should be charged, where the buyer should be charged. So all the important parts I got. It's just the IM and the NA, which are different but the same.
Yeah.
So you can say you can use either one of these, or you can only use one of these, and it's just like if you can use either one of them, then why have two different ones? I don't know. It's just
Yeah, one of those.
It's they do a lot
things.
of fucked up trick questions like why did they call it Titanic title transfer and ta-da like, and then it's Calvacy Cadison Codicy. Like I'm like, you're doing this wordplay and y'all thinking it's cute, but it's not cute for these fucking problems. I'm like, why would you do it? Like
You think it's cute.
it's like on 666 Bernie Bark Beaver Boulevard. And it was just like, why? Somebody's an asshole coming up with these problems. They're fucking Excuse me. Yeah. So you finished. You did good?
Huh, yeah.
Waiting for results.
I don't know. Yeah, oh, dang it. Enter text. Not correctly solved mystery.
Alright, I'm gonna let you do that. Sorry. I'm gonna go pee. I'm gonna go walk to the...
Oh, man. Let's see. Contains select queries. Enter text is not correctly solved mystery. What do you mean? Am I typing it in wrong? Do I need to do this? I don't know how exact I need to get with it. The city thief escapes to... Dang it. Oh no. That doesn't tell me anything. He escaped to... What was it? LaGuardian. Okay, it's the plane. Destination LaGuardia. Oh, maybe LaGuardia Airport is not the city that he escaped to. It's the airport, so... Crap. Okay, hold on. SQL. Right. 3... 50 vil db okay, and then okay, so we're gonna do this. LaGuardian Airport. Oh, New York City. LaGuardian Airport. This is LaGuardian Airport. It is in New York City. Okay, so this should be New York City. Okay. I don't know if these need to be spaced or not. I wish I had better context on that. God damn, what was that? Oh, yeah. That was it. God dang. I feel like a genius right now. Holy crap. Oh, that is so exciting. Oh my god. I did that all on my lonesome. That didn't even take that long, actually. It was, what, 2 hours? I started on it last night, but... Oh man, that is so cool. That is, like, exciting for some reason. That is, man, that is just so cool. I don't know. It's super exciting. Alright. I gotta admit, this SQL stuff is like... That was it. That was the last one, right? And that was the hardest one. Like that's I don't know if SQL gets harder than that, but that is not bad at all. Like that is pretty easy. Like I mean, it takes some time and thinking, but man, that is not bad at all. Oh, that was awesome. That was so cool. And it's like whenever I do mess up, it's just like barely off by like one little syntax or something. Okay, 3 of them. Yep. Dang, that's so cool. Okay. Oh, that's amazing. That's so exciting. Oh my god. That was it for SQL. That was the last one. 50ville Town. Oh my god. That is so cool. Oh. Oh, Black Cat, are you still on? I could play Rocket League real quick, but I can't play all day. Let's see. The next thing, I don't know if I want to watch this next. How long is it? It's 47 minutes for this one. And then there's no testing on that one. This one's 2 hours. I'm kind of wondering if I should go back to artificial intelligence after everything, because all it is a video, and like it obviously just kind of skims through it real quick. It probably tells a little. Okay, yeah, he explains it. What is? Oh, he's actually showing coding for it. Oh, this is. But I'm not gonna be making anything in AI, so I think I might save this for like afterwards. This is really cool though. I don't know. I'm iffy about it. Maybe I should do it in order. Because, like, you also think, like, there's probably a reason that it's here, right? So, I might just do artificial intelligence, watch the video, and then start in week 8. Because I don't want to, like, skip this, and then, like, maybe it had something I really would have helped me in, like, the next project or something. So, anyways, that was the end of SQL, thankfully. Black Cat, if you're still on, you want to play Rocket League real quick? I do need to know. Alright, I'll switch to Rocket League, but I can't play for long because I gotta get back to this. And, well, I'm probably just gonna watch this video, honestly. I'll try. Are you on? No, okay. But I'll try to. How long will it take you to get on? No problem. Because I just got this video I gotta watch next. Which, it's just watching a video. It's not, like, nothing too crazy. Maybe 8 minutes. Alright, well... I don't know if I should... I guess I could switch to Rocket League. And then... wait for you to get on. And then, because I have to end this one just because I finished the SQL and I like keeping these in the correct category, or my streams in the correct category. So I'll probably just do that. Just like in this stream, then get on Rocket League, and then if you're able to get on, then I guess just tell me that you're on or something. And then, yeah, I finished this one, but I do want to get into one of these. How much is the week 8 one? Let me look at the problem set. Dude, I'm so close to finishing this. And this is week 7. The SQL was not that hard at all. That was like, I'm not gonna lie, that was like, it was like some thinking, but like that wasn't hard. Like that was pretty easy compared to freaking these ones. What was it, week 5 and week 4? Holy crap! Even week 3 got me on that last one. I was like up forever. But that was only that last one. But that was also me trying to learn how it all worked. So I think it was just a learning curve. I should probably go back and practice these more so they can really stick in my head. But the SQL, the SQL stuff's so easy. I mean, I say it's so easy. I mean, I don't think it's necessarily like crazy easy, but like comparative to everything, like literally like Scratch was the easiest, obviously. I mean, week 1 with the Mario thing, that was like, it's easy now, but it wasn't easy when I did it. Like it was kind of a bit of a headache, and then it started getting harder, and it's like, because trying to comprehend these things initially was just a lot. And then I think really a lot of what it is too is when you learn stuff like how deep this stuff is, by the time you get to like Python and SQL, it feels like nothing. Especially with the syntax. Like the syntax of C is just, oh my god, that's the one thing I was struggling with the most, was trying to get the syntax. Like the syntax is crazy on those. Okay, I'm getting off of this. I'm gonna switch over. Alright.